closet is about, I think, almost 10.5 feet wide, something like that, or 9.5. But it's a good sized closet. The doors were custom. My contractor made him custom made, and you know, we had a little bit of an issue with the trying to figure out how to hang him, so he had to put a header. It's up there. It's only like a 8 to 10 inch header, and then he was able to attach the railing for the doors, and then he made the custom doors here on premise. The doors, I believe, are like 90 inches high and about 32 inches wide. So I'm really happy with the way the doors came out. That's custom made, and I was really happy that he was able to do a couple things that were custom, specifically for this unit. And those barn doors is one of those items. The other thing that was custom are these floating shelves. Now we had problems drilling holes in the back of the shelves, but they're supposed to be hidden. But as you can see, the rods are sitting on the outside. But it's okay. I'm going to probably use some tape to tape them down so that they don't move. But they're pretty. Those brackets are pretty strong. And then the washer and dryer. It's a gas dryer. But yeah, everything turned out great. Everything. Oh, so this table here, it's leftover from the quartz, and I had him cut me a piece that's about 4 feet wide, and then I bought those pipe leggings from a plumbing supply company, and I put them together, and that became my little dining table. Yeah. So every little thing that I get now, I think about getting things that are small and compact and can serve the storage. For example, this chest is supposed to be my coffee table, but I ended up using it a lot because I stored tools and other things in there. And so that's an example of getting furniture that has multiple purposes. So that's a storage coffee table. And this is for if I have guests come over, they can sleep here. And again, this is a sectional that turns into a queen size bed, and it also has storage. So let me see. Yeah, so right here I store the blankets and the sheets, so they're in there. So again, a sofa that's not only serves a purpose, but it also has multiple uses. And I haven't finished doing the back wall here. I'm thinking of putting a really narrow, maybe bar that I can hold my wines and glasses, and then next to it putting in some sort of a place where you can hang your coats and put your shoes and things like that. So I'm looking to see if I can maybe get some custom made, very narrow bar shelf and clothes and shoe rack that can sit in this wall right here. And then again, let's go over here and look at the unit. And so, from the bedroom you have a nice view of the pool. So the pool's outside. It's probably hard to see from here, but I'm really happy with the way the unit turned out. I'm still getting certain final things done, but overall it has everything I need. It has a sink, it has a stove. Here's my Keurig coffee maker. I bought some special Japanese knives from a brand called Shu, and they're really sharp. I also bought these made in the USA all clad pots and pans. And again, let's see, this is the trash can here, and this is my spice drawer. These are some utensils. Let's see what I have here. Oh, some cutting boards and some other things. And probably, yeah. So I still don't have everything sorted out where things are gonna go, but they're beginning to take shape. And then some of those all clad starter set is in here. So, and then of course cleaning supplies here under the sink. So this is the unit, and again the prices were about $2,600 for the plans with changes, and then about $2,000 to do the permits and $1,500 to do the plan checks. So add that up, and that was the work to do the plans and get them approved and get the building permits. And then the construction of the unit was $70,000. And then some of the appliances and furnitures and decorations cost another probably $8,000. And so that would be for the TV, the refrigerator, the microwave, the stove. Oh yeah, because the microwave, it vents to the outside, so it's a really nice microwave, and it's a 24-inch microwave. It's very modern. And some of these appliances cost more because they're apartment size and they don't make too many of them. There's not too many models out there. Same thing for the washer and dryer. I think the washer and dryer was about $1,200 at Costco. This is a 24-inch washer and dryer, and it's only about 26 inches deep. So it fit in this space really good. So I was really happy with that. But again, once you start adding up all the appliances and all the decorations, all the plates, the knife set, the pots and pans, all those miscellaneous items up there on the shelves, it starts adding up. And I'm not done. I probably need to spend another $500 or so getting a few more things that I need here at the house. Anyways, hopefully that helps you in terms of pricing your ADU. This is in Los Angeles County. I'm in between downtown LA and Disneyland, so you can get an idea where I'm at, and so you can see what the prices are. All right, take care. Bye.